Good day, everyone. Today, our group composed of Sir Christian Costurio, Sir Kenneth Navea, and yours truly will present our research project titled A Cloud-Powered Gamified Track Selection and Guidance Tool for Prospective Senior High School Students. So this study aims to develop, implement, and rigorously validate a gamified diagnostic tool that leverages cloud computing to guide potential senior high school students toward their ideal career tracks. The abstract. Choosing a senior high school track is a critical decision often hindered by old school paper-based guidance. This study develops Enkai Journey, a gamified Android application built with Kotlin and Firebase Firestore to provide data-driven career recommendations. The app uses a multi-factor logic that incorporates personality tags, aptitude scores, and vocational interest bonuses. So every year, thousands of students face a daunting crossroad, choosing a senior high school track. For many, this decision is clouded by analysis paralysis, a state of being overwhelmed by options but under-equipped with self-knowledge. Traditional counseling, while helpful, often relies on static brochures and manual processes that don't always resonate with today's digital natives. Research problems. The transition to senior high school represents a strategic pivot point for every Filipino student. However, many learners face a significant hurdle, choosing a track based on incomplete information or external pressure rather than personal aptitude. So currently, career guidance often relies on traditional static methods such as brochures or parental influence, which may not accurately reflect a student's true potential. This lack of data-driven insight often leads to analysis paralysis, where students are overwhelmed by choices but under-equipped with self-assessment data. So the result is high risk of track mismatch, leading to academic struggle or a job skills mismatch in the future workforce. So our target users in this study are the potential senior high school students of La Consolacion College of Daet Incorporated and the school's admissions and marketing staff who can use the application as a compelling and interactive tool during school tours and recruitment events. This research intends to achieve the following specific, measurable objectives. Number one, to design and develop a single platform Android mobile application using Kotlin and Firebase to host the multi-factor NK Journey assessment. Number two, to validate the software quality of the developed system by securing an acceptable rating across all seven characteristics of the ISO standard quality model. And number three, to present the assessment results on a mobile-friendly interface that clearly breaks down the core components, encouraging potential students to engage directly with the institution to explore their suggested future career options. And to achieve this, we developed this program or this application, mobile app, NK Journey app. This isn't just a digitized test, it is a gamified Android application built using Kotlin and Firebase. So we transformed the career assessment into a quest to reduce test anxiety and increase engagement. And to operationalize this project, we followed the input process output or IPO model. And for our inputs, we gathered the technical requirements, the Holland RISEC psychometric models, and the cloud infrastructure needs for LCCD. The process involved the actual development phase using the system development lifecycle where we coded the multi-factor algorithm and integrated the Firebase backend. The output is the functional NK Journey application. To ensure this tool meets professional standards, we didn't just ask for opinions. we use the ISO software quality model. And we triangulated our feedback by involving three distinct groups. So these are our respondents of this study. Group 1 is the students to test the user experience. Group 2, the IT professionals to audit the technical architecture and security. And Group 3, the subject matter experts or our guidance counselors to verify that our logic aligns with career guidance standards.
Our data gathering followed the structured process, orientation, consent and ethics, deployment, and retrieval. We oriented respondents about the study objective and how to answer the evaluation instrument. For student respondent, we distributed parental consent form and we also secured ethical clearance before handling any minor participants. After using app, completed evaluation sheet were collected and prepared for statistical analysis. We use descriptive statistics and computed the weighted arithmetic mean for each ISO characteristic and overall performance. This let us summarize how respondents rated the system using the Likert scale and then interpreted whether the system quality is excellent, good, fair, and so on. To interpret the computed mean consistently, we use a standard scale. The We interpreted mean score using this scale 1.5 to 5 to excellent, 3.5 to 4.49 good, 2.5 to 3.49 fair, 1.5 to 2.49 poor, and 1 to 1.49 is failed. So we say good, it means that the characteristic meets the standard with minimal issues. Now let's look at the actual result. So our overall grand mean is 3.8, which indicates application is valuable and high quality marketing and diagnostic tool for the institution. So this means that the system is generally acceptable and effective, but it also highlights a specific area we can still improve. So here is the breakdown per respondent group. So this table summarizes the mean scores across all respondent groups. Group 1, the student group with a general score of 3.8, which is good. So student found this app useful and user-friendly to cater exploration. For group 2, which is the IT expert, 3.7, good. So the architecture is technically sound, but still has room for optimization, usually in performance and security. For group 3, which is the subject matter expert, 3.9, good. So the assessment logic align with well with career guidance standard, which support the correctness of the recommendation approach. So overall, the system meets the ISO 25010-2023, the quality requirements at a good level. So with those results, here is our conclusion. In conclusion, the evaluation confirms that the NCAI journey meets the ISO IEC 25010-2023 quality requirements. with an overall rating of 3.8. This established the app as a reliable diagnostic tool that bridge interactive marketing and academic career guidance. At the same time, the result clearly point to the next priority: performance, optimization, and security hardening, which will guide the next development iteration. So the next reporter will be Kenneth Nabea.
So, in conclusion, the NCAE journey meets the quality requirements of the ISO IEC 25010-2023 standards based on the overall rating of 3.80, although there are still room for improvement for future researcher and developers. Also, on the next slide, you will be seeing the video application or the video demonstration of the application itself. So to close, we believe this project shows that a gamified mobile first approach can make track selection more engaging and data-driven, especially for today's students. As the code says, we continue improving the system until it becomes a stronger tool for both guidance and recruitment. So these are the key reference used in developing the theoretical basis of the project, including the studies on career choice factors and guidance models. That's all for our presentation for today. So thank you and have a good day.